At first, natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, infinitive. All these numbers are called natural number. Natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Including all natural numbers and 0 will refer as whole number. Whole numbers. Next, integers. Including all whole numbers and all negative numbers like -1, -2, minus infinity. Then 0, including 0, and 1, 2, 3, infinity. So all these natural number, whole number, and this all negative number will be referred as integers. Integers. Next, rational number. Next, rational number. So what are rational numbers? Including all integers and decimal numbers like 5.2, 5.2, 7 by 5, all fractional number, 7 by 5, 9 by 11, all fractional numbers. You may hear that the definition of rational number is the numbers which can be represented by p by q form, where p and where q not is equal to 0. So all integers including these fractional numbers will be referred as rational number. Rational numbers. Next, irrational number. The number which cannot be represented by p by q form. So I will discuss irrational number and rational number more clearly in another video. I will make another lengthy video, okay, so that all the thing like sum, between, if we add two rational number, then what we'll get, if we add two rational number, what we'll get. So all these things I will discuss in a lengthy video. That will be lengthy video. So if anyone want that, and if anyone want to know more detail, then comment below. Okay sir, I want to know more details, so I will post that video after this, and I will tag him or her. Okay, so what are irrational number? The numbers which cannot be represented by p by q form. So like p by q form, and if we divide that number, then the quotient will be non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, the quotient will be non-terminating, non-recurring. So all these details, terminating, non-terminating, I will discuss in the next video. That will be bit lengthy. If anyone wants that, then comment below, sir, I want that. I will tag him or her. Okay, so irrational numbers like √2, √3, okay, √5. So all these are irrational number. Okay, so all this irrational number, all this rational number will be referred as real numbers. Real numbers. So that are the real numbers. Okay, maybe the chapter name is real number, but real numbers means all these numbers. Okay, thank you.